everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, I'm back with another video.
I'm out for my grandmother. I can wait for hours. When that comes in here, her and be like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Okay, you guys, I know y'all probably like, what is going on? Why does she got all this stuff on her desk? Okay, so I have a good excuse. So I'm here already. I already started this custom order, and I'm like, hold up, I could be recording this right now. You know, let me pull out the camera. So I was using all this stuff because first I was initially going to write on the cell phone case and go over it with the rhinestones and pearls, but that didn't work. So this is going back, top on, back over there in the corner. I was trying to I was trying to weed the vinyl out with this and this and this and this, and I was also cutting the vinyl as well. So all of these are back over there. Okay, she wants a matching AirPod case with this cell phone case, so that's why that is there. But this is what I wanted to show you guys. Here is the case. Okay, this case is totally different from the cases that you guys are used to seeing. I think I made a case like this previously, like not too long ago. I can put like a few pictures up and I can show you where I use vinyl to create cell phone cases like this as an outline. The vinyl is basically an outline. I cannot draw, but I can design stuff. Okay, so that's where I come in. So what I did was I went in with some vinyl, and I also placed it. Let me get my lighting good, right? Okay, so I went in with some vinyl, and I'm actually putting like a layer of epoxy on here, which is resin, and I'm trying to just make sure that I'm doing it right. Like, as I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, but there are bubbles. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? This should have fluid in it, but I guess it don't. I had to go in and make sure that there's no like spots. None of my lighters are working today. I wonder why. Okay, here we go. Here's one. And I'm just gonna go in and try to get. This is not working. Let me go get my other lighter. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys. So I'm not even gonna do the lighting right now because I noticed that I have some uncovered spots on the case. So I don't want it to go all the way up. I just wanted to cover the vinyl and then the rest of the cell phone case. So I'm just going to spread it out to make sure that it's as even as possible, because once I go and lay the rhinestones, I want it to be nice. Okay, nice and flat. Okay, so let's just let this simmer down for a little bit. You would not do this if you had like a lot of resin on the cell phone case. I'm only doing it because I know what I'm working with right now, and I can tell where I need resin and stuff at, so that's why I'm doing it. So I need some right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead. I don't want to go in it, but let me go ahead and even this out real quick. Let's pop these bubbles. And let's see how it looks. Okay. Okay, you guys, I see I need the spot right there, and I need a little bit right there, just a little tad bit. Don't need a lot. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just pop a drop right there. That's it. And then I'm gonna go in with my lighter, and I'm just gonna heat that bad baby up. Okay, let me look around a little bit more. If y'all see me in the camera, it's because I gotta get real close to this case. Okay, so everything looks good. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna come back with some rhinestones and pearls. So she wanted. Oh, what's wrong, mamita? What? What's wrong? Okay, let me go get my mamita. Let me go get my mamita. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little while, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I go back in with the rhinestones and pearls like this. I'm so excited about this case because I love doing these designs. Like, they are like one of the best designs that I ever came up with. So yeah, can't wait to show you. Okay, you guys, so now we get the bling in. All right, so I let this case sit for about 2 hours before I started placing the rhinestones and the pearls on there. I wanted this to be a little tacky so that I didn't have to worry about my rhinestones and my pearls slipping and moving around, because once you try to attach anything to resin, it will either lift up or start to slide. So I wanted it to be a little tacky so that the rhinestones and pearls wouldn't slide. And then I allowed it to dry. As you can see right here, it's just like sitting and it's drying. And then after that, I'm going to place my rhinestones. And you guys, this is the finishing look. I'm so excited.